In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily lock photo album on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. On an iPhone, we are able to move any photo or any video to the hidden album, and then we are able to lock it. To hide any photo from your photo library, just long press on it, tap at Hide, and then Hide Photo. What that will do, that will move the photo you have selected to the hidden album. If you would like to hide multiple pictures at once, tap right here at Select, then select Photos and Videos you would like to hide, tap at three dots, and then tap at Hide and Hide again. Also, there is another way how we can hide a photo or a video. Just open it up, tap at three dots, and then Hide and Hide Photo. So now guys, how we can find all the photos and videos we have hidden. To do that, go to Albums, scroll down, and towards the very bottom we can easily find that hidden album. Now it is not locked, so I can get into it, and that's where we can easily find all the content, including photos and videos that we hidden. However, if you want to prevent someone from being able to get access to that hidden album, you can lock it or make it private. To do that, we need to go to Settings. On Settings, scroll down until you find Photos, and then scroll down again until you find Use Face ID. So we can turn that on and see what happened. Now if we go to Albums, we can see that it is showing this lock icon next to Hidden and Recently Deleted Albums. So now Face ID is required to get access to both of these albums. Also, there is one more cool feature here. We can even hide this album from here. To do that, right from the same place in the settings, we need to turn off the option which is called Show Hidden Album. If we turn it off, the hidden album will no longer appear in the Albums tab under Utilities. We can easily check that. If we go back to our albums, we cannot find hidden album here anymore. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.